Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Dandavats, Prabhu. So, Prabhu, the 26 qualities of a Vaishnava, 26 qualities of a Vaishnava, there are three qualities that I observed is meek, mild and humble. You also mentioned in the class that unlike Mayavadis, we are serving amidst Vaishnavas. During that time, the organization comes into picture. Organization has its mission and vision statements. And basically, it all boils down to numbers at some point in time.
Boils down to?
Numbers. So
What
to achieve, numbers could be the Lakshmi points or all of these things. There are numbers basically. And to achieve these numbers, slowly we understand that I need to be persuasive, I need to be aggressive, I need to be strong, which seemingly are contradictory to meek, mild and humble. So my question, Prabhu, is that how do I balance this? To achieve the organizational pursuits, I have to have a vyavaharik understanding of I need to be strong, aggressive, persuasive. At the same time, personal, spiritual pursuit, I need to be meek, mild and humble. How do I balance these two?
See, there is rajasic persuasion, there is rajasive aggressiveness. So you can be mildly aggressive, you can be mildly perceiver. So all these things that you mentioned, you can have sattvic, rajasic, tamasic. So we have to have our quality. We have to cultivate aggressiveness, sattvic aggressiveness. Sattvic aggressiveness is like Prabhupada's aggressiveness. He never gave up. How persuasive he was. Never gave up his Guru's order. Right? Was he aggressive about it? Yes. Was he persuasive about it? Is it Rajoguna and Tamoguna? No. When you are persuasive, when your determination is backed by faith in Guru and Krishna, it becomes transcendental. Not even sattvic, it becomes transcendental. Like Hanuman's anger, is it more mode of passion? No. Moment it was for Krishna, Rama, it was transformed. So, how exclusively it is for Krishna is a question that you have to ask. If it is exclusively, that is the test for Krishna and not for my sense gratification. Not for my ego. I am persuasive. Then you will clash with somebody else in your persuasion, in an organization. But if you have the purity, you have to always look into ourselves how 100% it is for Prabhupada and Krishna. At superficial, at a conscious level, it may be. But you should also look into yourself, and pray to Prabhupada and Krishna that my persuasion, my aggressiveness should all become transcendental. And then Krishna's mercy will flow. Nothing need to be spared from Krishna's service.